Good morning, everyone. Right now, we continue to study the lesson 4, talk about family and friends. Grammar, our, their, possessives, apostrophe s, vocabulary, the family, everyday English, the alphabet, on the phone. Okay, ឥឡូវយើងមកមើលបន្តទៀតយើងមើល starter complete okay complete the table អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលនៅក្នុងប្រអប់ហ្នឹង I you he she we they អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលក្នុងកន្លងគេដាក់ I ជា subject pronoun ដល់ my វាជាreflective pronoun my នេះជាកម្មសិទ្ធិវិញជា possessive អូខេហើយ you ទៅជា your អូខេ and he ទៅជា his she ទៅជា her we ទៅជា our they ទៅជា their អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលចំណុចខាងក្រោមនេះលេខ2 talk about things in the classroom. This is my book, okay? This is my book. This is our class. This is her bag. Okay. អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលបន្តទៅទៀត my family possessive. Okay. Possessive. Read and listen. អានហើយស្ដាប់មើលទៅក្រុមគ្រួសារ Annie families ណាក្រុមគ្រួសាររបស់ Annie យើងមើលបន្តិចមក Annie Tyler This is Annie Tyler នេះគឺជា Annie Tyler She married នាងបានរៀបការហើយ and this is her family ហើយនេះគឺជាក្រុមគ្រួសាររបស់នាង Their house is in San Francisco ផ្ទះរបស់ពួកគេនៅ San Francisco She's a doctor នាងគឺជាវេជ្ជបណ្ឌិត Annie's hospital is in the center of town Okay មន្ទីរពេទ្យរបស់ Annie គឺនៅកណ្ដាលទីក្រុងយើងមើលបន្តទៅ Jim is Annie's husband ណា Jim គឺជាស្វាមីរបស់ Annie He's a bank manager គាត់ជាអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងនៅធនាគារនៅ bank Jim's office is in the center of town too Okay ការិយាល័យរបស់ Jim នៅចំកណ្ដាលទីក្រុងដែរOur children are Emma and Vince. Emma is 15 years old. Okay. Emma is 15. She's at Lincoln High School. Vince is 19. He's at the University of California. We're all happy in San Francisco.Okay our children កូនរបស់ពួកយើងគឺ Emma ហើយនិង Vince Okay Emma មានអាយុ15ឆ្នាំ She Okay នាងរៀននៅសាលា High School ឈ្មោះ Lincoln Okay រៀននៅវិទ្យាល័យ Lincoln Win មានអាយុ19 He Okay គាត់រៀននៅសាកលវិទ្យាល័យCalifornia គាត់រៀននៅសាកលវិទ្យាល័យ California We're all happy in San Francisco យើងទាំងអស់គ្នាសប្បាយនិងពេញចិត្តរស់នៅក្នុង San Francisco Okay Chẳng dừng mơ tỏ từ khổng tiết. Okay. Mơ grammar sport. Grammar sport cái đại lít mùi. She's married. She's a doctor. Apostrophe A or is. Riksman is nang. Lít B. This is her family. This is Annie's family. Okay, Annie's family. Apostrophe S meaning the families of Annie, right? Annie dừng mở tới. Let's bay. His, Jim's. Okay, he knows meaning Jim apostrophe A nang. Kichiro ba. Office, yeah. Office ba Jim. Her, Emma. School is a lot ba. Emma nang. Dừng mở tớiประโยคខាងក្រោម nè, dừng mở tớiประโยคខាងក្រោម Okay, answer the question. ឆ្លើយសំណួរ Is Annie married? Yes, she is. Where's their house? In San Francisco. What's Annie's job? She a doctor. Where's her hospital? Center of town. What's Jim's job? Okay, what's Jim's job? Bank manager. He is a bank manager. Okay, he's a bank manager. Are their children both in high school? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Buộc lại nâng dừng đã tới của Amma nâng. Okay. Amma got in high school hay Vin got in nose cọp xì lại. Okay, listen, check and practice. Chẳng dừng mơ từ lời kháng lời đi. Nó kháng sẵn nằm đấy. Okay, who are they? Ta bộ kế cứ chia nụ nà. Bộ kế chia nụ nà. Listen and repeat. Listen แปลว่าสดับ and แปลว่าหายนึงหรือก็หาย repeat แปลว่าท่าตามมือกับเรานี่ mother แปลว่ามาได้ daughter แปลว่าคนสไร sister แปลว่าบองปอนสไร wife แปลว่าประปวนหรือก็ภรรยา father แปลว่าปุกหรือก็ father นึงป่านึงโอเค son คนเพราะbrother បងប្អូនប្រុស husband ប្រែថាស្វាមី parents ប្រែថាឪពុកម្ដាយ children ប្រែថាកូនអូខេឥឡូវយើងមើលបន្តទៀត look at the family tree យើងមើលនេះគេចងជាប្រព័ន្ធណា family tree ហ្នឹង Jim ហើយនឹង Annie ហើយនឹង Vin ហើយនឹង Emma អូខេឥឡូវយើងមើលទៅលើនេះ listen and complete the sentences. 1. Annie is Jim's wife. Okay. Annie គឺជាប្រពន្ធគឺជាភរិយារបស់ Jim. Jim is Annie's husband. អញ្ចឹងយើងកន្លែងនេះយើងបំពេញពាក្យថា husband មក Okay. Okay. ពេញពាក្យថា husband មកOkay. ធំតិចមកធំពេកអូខេប៉ុណ្ណឹងបានអូខេយើងមើលតទៀត Emma is Annie. Emma is Annie and Jim's what? Daughter. Okay. យើងពេញពាក្យ daughter មក Okay. Okay. Daughter. Okay. Okay. Okay, daughter, right? See? Yeah, daughter. Okay, please sao mỗi tiết, do chi mỗi tiết. Okay? daughter yeah daughter D A U G T R okay right this is daughter you see yeah daughter okay mà sao thiệt Vin is Annie and Jim Vin គឺជា son okay son របស់ Jim ហើយនិង Annie okay មើលតទៀត Annie is Vin okay Annie គឺជាប្អូនស្រីរបស់ sister របស់ Vin okay Jim is Amy Jim is father Jim is father okay Jimmy គឺជាឪពុក yeah គឺជាឪពុករបស់ okay ជាឪពុករបស់ father okay ជាឪពុករបស់ Emma Emma is Vin sister Emma is Vin sister okay Annie okay Annie mother mother Vin is Emma brother okay and Annie and Jim are Emma and Vin's parent okay okay យើងមើលតទៀត Emma and Vince are Jim and Annie children okay this is okay យើងមើល okay យើង complete ហើយ Annie is Jim wife Annie គឺជាភរិយារបស់ Jim Jim is Annie's husband Jim គឺជាប្តីរបស់ Annie ស្វាមីរបស់ Annie Emma is Annie and Jim Emma is Annie and Jim Emma គឺជាកូនស្រីរបស់ Jim ហើយនិង Annie Vin is Annie and Jim son okay Vin គឺជាកូនប្រុសរបស់ Jim ហើយនិង Annie Vin is okay Annie is Vin's mother okay Jim is Emma's father Emma is Vin's sister Vin is Emma's brother Annie and Jim are Emma and Vin's parents okay Annie ហើយនិង Jim នេះគឺជាឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ Vin ហើយនិង Emma ហើយនិង Vin okay Emma and Vin are Jim and Annie's children Emma ហើយនិង Vin គឺជាកូនរបស់ Annie ហើយនិង Jim okay យើងមើលបន្តទៀត listen again and check ask and answer questions សួរឆ្លើយសំណួរ who's Vin okay who's wins ណាគេឈ្មោះ Vin គឺជានរណា he's Emma's brother okay he's Jim's son គាត់គឺជាកូនប្រុសរបស់ Jim គាត់គឺជាបងប្រុសរបស់ Emma okay យើងមើលនៅទីនេះគេដាក់ listen to the five people who are they okay Annie okay Jim Okay. Jim, Win, Ma, and number 5, Nake. Number 5 là Nake. Chẳng dân bằng bình luận ấy. Number 5 là Nake. Dân đăng ấy. Okay. This video, that's it. Enough for time. We study just a little. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. The link below. Thank you so much. Thank you.